Вітаю вас, шановні. Поки ви ставите подобайки і підписуєтесь на канал, ми починаємо наше чергове відео по привіду Цушима. Итак, минулым разом мы переместились на новую виспу, яка називається Ікі. І ми тут недзе зустріли наших нових знайомих, які з'являються рейдерами. І нам треба допомогти їм, які вони нам, коли що, перемогти Орлицу, клан Орлов чи Орлицу. Не ведаю, як її докладно називають, але все ж таки назвати буде треба. Сідаємо на коня і поїхали.
You ran from your father's death for years. There is nowhere left to run. The nightmare will grow worse. You cannot face your father's death alone. Without my wisdom, you will lose your soul to madness.
The visions, they're still happening.
Які краєвид пригожі. Один эта тетка портить все.
Why didn't you help me?
Может, что тут отбывалось, или что?
You let him kill me.
May your death benefit all beings.
This has to end.
Давай, Джин, вставай.
How many has she poisoned?
My brother is the smartest person I've ever known. Now look at him. What did the Mongols do to him?
You're safe now. Find shelter.
They're safe now. No one can hurt us.
Here! Someday we'll go for a peaceful ride.
Так, нам треба йти, я так розумію, в основний будинок.
Here, you send your best warrior. Эльдея Щеглач! Самурай! Please save me!
You're going to be all right.
They had me locked up for days in that thing. Thank you, stranger.
Go. And stay safe.
Який добрий Джин. Усім допоможе, усім поможе. О, кунай. Добре, подобрали кунай. Підгодил. А конь-то не збіг.
Quickly, Sora!
I need this, Jin.
The Khan put a bounty on the ghost. Anyone can claim it.
Періюзина от тут з'явився вже. Тості джин тобі накриває нормальово так. Рюза, здрадник. Давай, где пон? Чого він так уперся в этого Рюза? Яны з годами не розмовляли, а тут уже такі сябра. Обосрать ноги просто по колени.
Losing your edge. You fight for nothing.
Да, у меня. Ого, як ти вмієш? Эй! Стоишь, назираешь. Ты что не бежишь?
We'll be free soon.
Thank you. These men are demons. They will curse the whole island for what they have done in the forest.
In the forest?
They slaughter the deer. I could hear them scream. I could smell the stench as they tan their hides.
Once I find them, they will not defile Iki with the blood of one more deer.
Что вы, оленяшки уже потрібні вам. Жартувати треба і не тільки людей, а ще оленяшек. Ну, може бути і так. Нам сюди так. Виписка показує сюди. Не, я сподіваюся, не сюди. Так, ми з правого боку не йдемо. Ого. Злазь. Сенсі, а як туди залізти?
Jin from Yarikawa.
О,
Didn't think you'd make it.
What happened here?
Friends of mine lived on this farm. I hoped they'd join our fight, but those Mongol bastards got to them first. The least they deserve is a proper burial. Won't be long.
I'll help you.
You don't have to do that.
I know. I want to.
Grab the spade.
Відомо ж треба удзельнічати во всіх гэтых урачыстасцях, як перакінуць на свой бок рейдераў.
May they find peace in the next life.
I didn't take you for a religious man.
I'm full of surprises.
You said you would think about bringing me to your crew. Have you made up your mind?
That depends. Is the eagle's poison still affecting you?
Yes, but it hasn't slowed me down. Take me to meet your raider friends, and I'll prove I can help you fight back.
All right, samurai. You've got a ride ahead of us. Try and keep up.
Where are you taking me?
An old raider stronghold. We used it to hide from the samurai. Now it's keeping us safe from the Mongols.
You're not worried about taking a samurai to your secret hideaway?
Of course I am. But we need every fighting arm we can get. Just watch yourself once we get there. Ever since the Sakai invasion, samurai are slightly less popular than a pit of venomous snakes.
The Sakai invasion.
The butcher of Iki and his gang thought they could bring a little law and order to our island. show them. Not before losing a lot of good people.
From what I heard, neither side was innocent.
There's some truth to that. I've never seen a pretty war. There's a hidden entrance to the stronghold up ahead.
Уже на месте.
Found the entrance. Let's see how good you fight, Blade Samurai.
Ён спрабаваў усё ж таки гэта зрабіць па-ціхаму. Але мы самураі. Мы так не робім. Нам трэба больш мяса. Конь, иди от меня. И сколько тут взялся? Эй, ты, ходи сюда, песенник. Джин, тропляй. С кем ты там воюешь?
Good. You're not too sick to fight.
Чакай, тут лута jeszcze багато. Треба позбирать. Чайник нельзя? Зараз иду, чекай. Ось і все. Поехали.
We're not getting in this way.
That's Fune's doing. Any outsiders find our home, we block the entrance and kill the witnesses. No exceptions.
I hope she's more welcoming to invited guests.
We'll find out soon enough.
Is there another way in?
Only by sea. There was a path years ago, before my time. Don't know if it's still there.
It's worth a shot.
А, типу, у нас опції есть.
How many samurai has this man murdered? Remember your father's attendant?
Иди у сраку.
His throat was opened while he slept. His blood sprayed your tent.
Silence!
Jin, you alright?
Не звертаю уваги на її.
Sometimes I hear the eagle's voice.
Like she can read your mind or something?
No. I hear my own thoughts.
Я лічу, що там буде нейкая
Yes, I
скрита
didn't know I was
стежка, а тут, глядите, якое шаша
Our voice.
I hope it
на
wears off.
утрост. Тут
I see why
навіть
the samurai never found this
і воз
hideaway of
проїде
yours.
з конем,
It's the
не
only
то, як
stronghold
пеше.
on Iki that survived the Sakai invasion.
Let's hope that holds for the Mongols.
No way to cross.
There's always a way.
Samurai have to say shit like that.
Do pirates have to mouth off?
Just the clever ones.
А, ось і на що. Да что за хуйня? Давай, чепляйся. О,
Neat
нарешті.
trick. I could use one of those.
Make friends with a great blacksmith on Tsushima.
Visit Tsushima. Not worth it.
Ты, конечно, не варто. Для тебя. А что не так с Тушем у тебя?
Minor setback.
Look for a way around.
А прыгнуть нельзя? Куда это? Хоп. Хоп.
Never seen a samurai do that before.
You're welcome to join me.
Не кажет Джин. О, блядь, приехали.
You alright?
I'm fine.
You're doing great. Don't die.
Нет! Ты куды?
Minor setback.
Look for a way around.
Так, Джин. Не выкаблучивайся меня тут.
Never seen a samurai do that before.
You're welcome to join me.
You
You all right?
I'm fine.
You're doing great. Don't die. Not bad.
Где ж? Мог бы и сам трошки попрыгать.
Bastards. They're after one of our ships.
Ну что собі у рейдера шип? Корабель
Wouldn't
есть?
call them friends, but yes, I knew them. That makes 4 craft we've lost to the Eagle's warship.
Так, а где ты? Куда ты? К кому ты? Він сюди прыгнув. Ну добре, давай.
I'll get us through here.
О, лестница была. Ну добре.
How did you join up with Fune?
We enjoyed the hospitality of the Sakai Inn together.
You mean Fort Sakai?
Terrible food. But we left with our heads intact. Most of the guests weren't so lucky. Almost there.
He is luring you into a den of murderers. They will kill you just as they killed your father.
Все сомневаюсь, все у твоей голове, Джин.
When we step through
Тримайся.
that gate, there's no turning back. Everything you do is on my head. Don't make me regret this, Samurai.
You don't have to worry about me, Tenzo. I promise.
Good. Keep that attitude and you'll be fine. Just stay close.
Домовились.
Keep your sword sheathed and let me do the talking.
Бо я не ведаю, на що розлічував Джин, але без власного докладу не справимся.
Here we go.
Їхали рисувати тут цілий город.
Tenzo? You're back. You brought a samurai here? Wait until Hune hears about this.
I'll tell her myself. Get back to your posts.
I'm watching you, samurai.
Усё? Ну, я думав, ніякого требування буде, там
Impress
кров
her,
здати
and
треба
we'll
для
back off.
And if I don't
охвірувати,
impress her?
як
I've seen her tie men up
поранених
and leave them to
врятовуватися.
drown
Тут
at high tide.
ти
Even
привів
hung one
самурая.
traitor from the mast of her
Да,
ship,
привел,
Gal's
что?
But I don't know.
Да не, ничего, все нормально.
Those people.
More victims of the Eagle's poison.
Я тут трошки вас узяв.
Tenzo! You're running out of clean rags!
Check the drawers. I have a shirt you can strip down. Let's go, Jin. Fune's waiting.
Was that your house?
They needed more than me. There's Fune, watching us from her favorite perch.
Tenzo! Get your ass up here!
Coming, Fune! Remember, make nice. And stow the samurai attitude.
Петь. Джин трошки промахнувся.
Welcome back, Tenzo.
І тут баба головна.
I can explain.
I hope so. Because right now, I'm really curious why you brought a samurai into my home.
You sent me to find people who can fight.
Fight for us, not against us.
If I wanted to come for you, you would know it.
Jin.
It's all right, Tenzo. I want to hear this samurai dig his own grave.
I'm here because the Mongols invaded my home too. And if the Eagle isn't stopped on your shores, she's going to bring her army and her poison to Tsushima. We can defeat the Eagle and save both our homes, but only if we work together.
Ми
He's your
команда.
catch, Tenzo. What's your take?
Maybe he helps us. Or he's skewered on a Mongol spear. And you get to brag about one more samurai dying on Iki Island. Either way, we've got nothing to lose.
You're in, samurai. I hope you don't get seasick.
Easy
When the next
peasy.
storm hits, we're taking every boat in this cove and attacking that Mongol warship.
Sounds like a good way to lose half your men. Get me aboard that warship, and I can sink it.
Tenzo, get this fool out of my face.
Jin may have a point. We can't get close enough to board the warship, but a Mongol boat from Iki resupplies them every few days.
We can take their supply ship and make the delivery ourselves.
Tenzo, if you think this can work, you're in charge.
А
I need a
уявіть, що
dozen men.
це
Jin can be one of them.
гэта нейкі символ
The supply
геймпаду.
ship docks on the northeast side of the
Ну,
island.
гэты
Look for a
стрелки
small
вверх,
inlet,
вниз,
steep
вправо,
cliffs.
влево. Це
I'll
що
meet you
таке?
there. Fune, it has been a pleasure.
Just watch your step, samurai.
Ой, что ты, яшчэ і падкаты пачаліся. Слухайце, а чамусьці мне Тенза нагадвае, ведаеце каго? Караля малпаў. Яго твар такі вельмі падобны. Зарослы. І у нас ёсць пунктик. Е. Unwavering Sun. Эй, давай. Альбатрос остатки доты. Если вы можете ими сілкавацца нормалёва. Вам тут ежи хопіць на гады ўперад. Так, тэхнікі. Чекай. О, яшчэ з'явіліся. Глядзіш ты. Gain twice as much armor from pickups. І што гэта яшчэ? А, ну гэта для лучника. Did to improve channel of cigars. When aiming a bow, it takes 3.5 cent to lock. Не, гэта я не хочу. Чекай, не тое. Сюди, ось так. Get twice as much ammo from pickups. Даже не ведаю, на што яно мне. Так. Так. А гэта што, слухайце, я гэта неяк прапусціў. Wind of Health, Wind of Resolve, to Hot Springs, Soak. Ну, прикольно, ось таке хочу. Гэты крыніцы цёплыя, яны даволі добра дапамагаюць. Яны павялічваюць колькасць хпшек у мяне. Моцна так. Для тых, хто не зразумеў, скажу вам такое, што яны пагадзіліся супрацоўнічаць у том выпадку, калі ўсё іх атрымаецца з пераадолем вось таго карабля. Памятаеце, які патапіў новы карабель? Ну, які належаў калі што да рэйдераў. Вось, такім чынам Джин казаў, што давайце мяне аднаго туды адправім, я яго ў одно лицо потоплю. Таму дзяўчына з яго смеялася. Вось, типу, занадта много на себе бере гэты Джин. О, глядзіце, тут ёсць іх усё, і каваль нават ёсць. А ну сюда хадзі, каваль. Ну-ка, з катанай. Недостаточно. Уже. Железо.
It cuts both ways.
Обожнюю такие речі. Там-то, ну такое себе, не. Там-то потребу занадто много. Гандляр есть? Что тут у тебя?
Tough bastard like you needs sturdy armor to match.
Угу, так. Покольки я
Good
хожу
choice.
завсюди, то треба купити. Тада Юрій. Тада Юрій гэта ўвогуле што? Гэта акурат такі ёсць лучніцтва. А гэта у мяне калі што вот акурат такі.
My best work.
Што ты кажаш? Для атакаў мячом. Melee damage. Так, куди мне треба ісці? Синенькая не. Ой, як далеко, ёб твою маму.
Mom, don't bother going to the camp at Nagata Lake. Raided by Mongols.
Did any survive?
They did.
Ти б що, п'янеш?
Our monk gave himself as ransom to save us. But without his skills, we're done anyway.
If he's still alive, I can bring him back to help you. That would be worth it.
Дівчина сумує по якомусь там монаху. Ну добре, проведемо, коли знайдемо.
There was
Legends
once
House.
much
Ну,
more
хорошо.
to fear than the Mongols. Listen,
О, висці тут? Добре. Вельми добре. Так, я не туди бігу. Конь. А йди сюди.
Doing good, Sora.
Face me!
Що, криси? Зараз вам наваляю.
They didn't stand a chance.
Hold still.
А сколько это хлопцев взялись? На моем боку які були.
It's off. Thank you. Are you a samurai? Thanks all the same.
You're safe now.
Давай, давай. Мне куная потрібна. Угу. А що тут у нас? Знову риза.
There was no other way.
Риза, заманися.
I had to feed my men. I wish you'd fallen at Komoda.
You're not real.
Гэта факт. Гэта все у твоей голове. Почему я не могу позвать коня? Пусти влево, так? А это его стежка. Где тут на узбережжі повинно быть. Правильно? Ні, слухай, ззаду. А ось він дим.
Where is Tenzo?
At the cliffs, talking to a friend.
За яким другом сябром він розмовляє.
Yeah, that's what I'll tell him.
Это не Тензо.
You hear? Yasu's back from Tsushima.
Probably got sick of all that kneeling and bowing.
More Mongol lies.
Нарешті ось він.
Ego speaks the truth.
Going to keep me waiting, Jin?
Не-не-не-не-не-не.
Next time,
Ни в
don't be so
якому
quick
разі.
to kill your enemy. He may have known something useful.
He spilled plenty.
You called him a liar. What did he tell you?
Nothing that can't wait. The ship should dock soon.
Once it does, tell your men we'll take it quietly. If we cause too much damage, the Eagle's warship will see through our disguise before we get close enough to attack.
Don't worry, Jin from Yarikawa. We'll take that supply ship without a scratch. Now get some rest. The ship will be here soon.
Джин from Ярикава. Няўжо ён думае, што гэта неяк пракаціць? Мне падаецца, гэта будзе пунктам, які ў пасцэнары зробяць нешта благое ў взаемаадносінах паміж
They
рэйдерам
brought
і Джинам.
rowboats ashore. We'll borrow them to reach the
І
supply
це було
ship.
зроблено
Fog will work in our
навмисно.
favor. If they see us coming, we risk scaring them off.
Let's get moving. Is the eagle's poison still in you?
I won't lose focus, if that's what you're asking.
It's not. You said it made you see things.
Things I'd like to forget.
Like getting blood stains on your favorite silk hakama.
A little worse than that.
Тихо, чекай.
I'll bite.
У вас
The
є
worst
що-
thing
чим
that happened
поживитися
to me
ще.
from Yarikawa.
Losing my father. We
Дід,
were in battle together.
I'm sorry.
Don't be. You didn't know.
You know the drill. Quick and bloody. Let's give these Mongols Ika Island welcome.
Ти, ходи сюди. Холера, отлетів як, ну.
More on the way.
Take them. We can't draw more attention.
Хлопці, давайте.
The shore is ours. Ready the boats. Damn it. Fog is lifting. They'll see us coming.
Incoming!
О,
Get out of sight!
Fall back.
No, I can go around. Take out those weapons. You'll be blasted to pieces.
Do it, Jin. Show us what a samurai can do.
Call of Duty какой-то почався.
Watch their fire.
Побегли, боже, что нам губляется. Так, иди сюда.
The raiders know who you are. They are leading you into a trap.
You're not real.
Мы поплыли, сподіваюся, что так как само можно.
When you die,
Nice
the
too.
raiders pray for you. The same one they spoke before murdering your father. What was that prayer again? You know the words. They haunt you.
Джеймс,
May
концентруйся
your
на
death
праці.
benefit all beings.
Be quiet.
Холера, як он плаває. Попросту мясник. Куди ти стріляєш, ти хоч бачиш? А то что, никого нема? Поднимайся, ну. Валера. Тебя где тут, нет? Ну, давай сюда. Вот это ты мне что казал?
You're helping people who spit on your father's name. When he died, were you too weak to save him?
It wasn't my fault!
Что тут еще есть? Так, там мне что обещало? Посилочки обещали. О, тут в хмызах никто есть. Где тут? Одразу не зауважу. А, усё? Усё?
Sure took your
Поспеховая
time
миссия.
silencing those cannons.
I thought you needed a chance to catch your breath.
How thoughtful.
What's going on with you? One moment we stand shoulder to shoulder, the next you're ready to cross blades.
Not now, samurai. We have a job to do.
Then let's finish it and talk after.
Set a course for the Eagle's warship. Let's hope they don't notice it's manned by a crew of raiders.
We need more than hope.
Это
Tell you
выглядало
when to
смешно.
hide when we get within sight of the warship.
An empty ship. That won't look suspicious.
It will buy us time to get close, past the range of their heavy cannons. We'll wait for them to board us.
Then we'll attack. Set off their black powder stores. And rip open the beast's belly. You'd better be right about this, Jin.
Чия б корова мчалась, щиро кажучи. Наближаемся.
Looks bigger up close. They're onto us. We have to attack now.
Not yet. Hold.
Attack! Send these bastards to the bottom of the sea!
Джин, блин. Прыгали сюда.
Find their black powder reserves!
Set the black powder to blow! Back to the supply ship before she blows!
Go! Go! Quickly!
Вы ж захопили гэты
Today we struck a blow for
корабель, чому не
Fune's
заставить
refuge.
його у собі?
Next, we take back Iki.
Гэта
One
дивно
day escape
виглядає.
the endless wheel of suffering.
Ён спадзяецца, што гэтае кола пакутаў яно скончыцца, калі яны вызваляць усю выспу Ікі. Паглядзім. Пасля таго, як я прадставіўся ім, як Джин прадставіўся ім Джин з Веры Кавы, паглядзім, як у іх гэта атрымаецца.
Good work, Tenzo. I think Funa is going to be pleased.
No. She's going to skin both of us alive.
Чому?
What are you talking about?
You tell me, Lord Sakai.
Ага, ён
One
ведае.
whisper of your real name, and every person in this refuge will line up to split you wide open.
Say my name. Force me to defend myself. This is what the Eagle wants. Samurai and Raider spilling each other's blood. But she knows we're a threat if we work together.
Bullshit!
Who told you I was a Sakai? Was it the Mongol you interrogated? The Eagle wanted you to know.
This is what I get for trusting a damn samurai.
Разумны Джин все-таки у гэтым выпадку
I
ён
grew
такі
up here,
разумны
you
поступок зрабіў.
Learned to swim in the shallows. Helped build half these homes. Broke my arm falling off the rock wall, trying to impress my wife.
You were married?
Years ago. She didn't make it through childbirth. Fune helped me bury them. This is my home. These people are my family. If they find out I brought the butcher of Iki's son here, they'll stake both of us down. Make us a feast for the crabs.
I won't let that happen. This stays between us.
Guess we're in this together.
The Eagle's hurting thanks to what we did today. We can save Iki Island if we stand together, but our fight is just beginning.
Знову починається. Ми
You,
команда.
samurai,
Ми
and your
команда.
speeches. I'll tell Fune your plan worked. When you're ready, I'm sure she'll want to thank you in person.
Somehow I doubt that. Be careful, Tenzo. And watch what you say.
You too. Jin from Yarikawa.
А, ну погнали. О,
The dueling ring calls. Care to
Подуэлить
test your
можно.
skill? The tournament welcomes all fighters.
You're holding duels during an invasion?
Everyone needs a little entertainment during wartime.
Besides, we're using Vulcan to avoid injuries.
I only duel with a clear purpose.
You want a purpose? We offer generous rewards, as long as you win. If you are interested, the contenders are waiting at the ring.
I suppose I could use some sparring practice.
In honor of your fine katana, we will call you Okto. Some advice? Each combatant has a unique style with distinct strengths and weaknesses. Challenge a contender. Don't keep the people waiting.
Ведаеш, што ў наступны раз, мне падаецца. Паглядзіце на гэтую прыгажосць. Божах мой, якую прыгожа. Якая вада, якія птушкі. Карацей, а на гэты момант мы скончым. Працяг глядзіце ў наступным відэа. Подписывайтесь на канал, ставьте подобайку, калі вам спадабалася, калі не спадабалася, абавязкова напишите, чаму у каментары. Ды ўвогуле пішыце хоць нешта ў каментарях, гэта так прыемна чытаць, калі што. І сустрэнемся з вами ў наступнай частцы, якая выйдзе хіба што на гэтым тыдні, я спадзяюся. А пакуль, да пабачэння.